The Timbertech AS186 Mini Airbrush Compressor offers a high-performance experience with its single-piston, oil-free design that requires no maintenance. This compact and portable compressor is designed to be quiet, operating at only 47 decibels, and features a convenient, built-in carry handle for easy transport. Equipped with a 3-liter receiver tank, it ensures a pulse-free output and consistent airflow between 20 and 23 liters per minute, enhancing its longevity. The compressor features an auto-start and auto-stop function, suitable for airbrush guns with nozzle sizes ranging from 0.2 to 0.8 millimeters, although no nozzles are included. An industrial-type pressure regulator with gauge, water trap, air filter, and overheat protector ensures optimal performance and safety during use. This versatile airbrush compressor is ideal for a wide range of applications, including cake decoration, temporary tattoos, nail art, and automotive graphics.